Come take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, wheels, 418x8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Convenience package, LT. White Diamond Edition, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65 or 18 off-road, white outlined letter, LPO, bed rail protectors, rear vision camera and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.